So this is gonna be a quick little video. I'm here in my parents' house and I leave in 5 days for my big trip around the world for my Contiki Odyssey. And Contiki actually got me this amazing package here that I haven't opened yet, and I figured it'd be fun to open with you guys. So let's take a look what's inside. All right, so I don't actually know what's in here. This is the first time I've opened it. I guess the Contiki guys in Toronto put together a care package for me in anticipation of my trip. So let's go through it. There is a no regrets Contiki hat, which is pretty cool. There is some Contiki branded sunglasses. There is a travel adapter with USB. So this is an Australian, USA, UK, and European power adapter. There is a, I don't know what this is. Looks like a Contiki camera bag? Toothbrush. Oh, this is a Contiki like toiletry kit. So I can put my toiletries in here. There is a 4,000 milliamp power bank. This one looks like it's not Contiki branded. Contiki, one of those phone pop-out holders. A Contiki t-shirt. This one actually looks like it is a medium, so this might actually fit, which is good. This is a Contiki shopping bag. So that's kind of cool. Make every moment count, life's an adventure. We're about people, challenge everything, tread lightly, we are young, do things with passion, be part of the story. Contiki. Oh, this is cool. This is a, I just bought a wallet yesterday. This is a passport holder / wallet. This I will definitely be bringing with me on the trip. It's from Herschel. This is really cool. Contiki bag tag. Oh, this is sweet. Wow, this is wireless headphones. I do have earbuds, but I don't have headphones. So that's really cool. That's awesome. Thanks, guys. There's this here. Oh, perfect. This is a Lululemon towel. I have yet to buy a towel for the trip, and this will work perfect. This is fantastic. So I'll definitely be bringing this as well. I'll also be bringing this. I think, actually, so far everything here, other than maybe the power bank, because I already have a really big power bank, I'll definitely be bringing with me. Water bottle. So this water bottle is actually really cool. You can't really tell on the camera here, but this water bottle was just launched, I want to say fairly recently, and it is a sustainable water bottle. So one of the cool features of this water bottle is that there's a filter here, and this filter will actually clean out all the impurities in the water. I think it's good for 100 uses. Don't quote me on that, but I think I had seen that online. And it also has the ability to crunch up. So you don't actually have to take up all the room when it's not full. So it's really easy to pack, store in your bag when it's not in use. And if you're not actually filling it with water that needs to be purified, you can put this filter out. So I think you just detach that, yeah, and it just becomes a regular water bottle. And then when you want to use the filter, you just put this back in. So for certain countries like Morocco or India, where you might want to pour water from a tap into your water bottle, you can use this to actually clean it out and make it drinkable. So it's very cool, and this is definitely going in my pack. And lastly, there is this laptop bag, laptop / iPad bag. This is kind of cool. Let's see, I don't even know how to open this. Oh, it's expandable too. That's really neat. So it's got a compression cube in it. There's actually, there's more stuff in here. So there is looks like a toiletry bag, another toiletry bag. Oh, this is just I guess a padded bag for pretty much whatever I'd like. That's great. This is a kind of like a laundry bag. This is another laundry bag, and then this is, so these are all laundry bag type things. So they're good for sorting your stuff. I actually already have bags to sort my things in. However, these are also probably going to be going into my bag because I could always use more. So this is actually really cool as well. So unfortunately, I've already purchased pretty much everything that I have here, but these are all Contiki stuff, and I think I'm gonna wanna bring a lot of this stuff along. So thanks guys from Contiki for giving me this gift. This is really cool of you. I believe I was told that everything here was sustainable. Don't quote me on that, that's what I was told, and even the guy that told me that, Joel, shout out to you, he wasn't 100% sure. He said that someone might point out in the comments that it wasn't 100% sustainable. So, but I know for sure the water bottle is, and it's a really cool initiative of Contiki. I think you can order yours, I think it's $15 Canadian, and yeah, really cool idea. So thanks guys. The next video I post, I will be on my trip, so I leave in 5 days. Take care. Bye.